Adidas.
The best Filipino street food.
Make it nice. Street food, Filipino style, Adidas. And we will do two versions. One, you marinate it a kind of adobo style. You just put extra banana ketchup. To be fancy, we vacuum pack and we sous vide at 74 degrees for 25 minutes. After we grill it as usual.
For the second version of our Adidas barbecue, we're going to boil it first until it's a bit tender to be perfect for the barbecue, and then we will do the marination. For the ingredients, 1 kilo of this chicken feet. Remember to clean and remove these nails. We don't need it. We boil in water with 2 to 3 of bay leaves, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, and don't forget your salt and pepper.
For the marination of our Adidas,
1 cup of fresh calamansi juice, 2 to 3 Thai chilies. It's optional, but we love chilies. Half cup of banana ketchup. It should be banana ketchup. 1 cup of soy sauce.
premium quality, please, from Mamacita brand.
1 spoon of oyster sauce, 5 cloves of chopped garlic, and of course, salt and pepper, and sugar to taste.
And that's it, guys.
And that's it.
For accessory, we bought this beautiful mini hibachi grill for indoor and outdoor use. It's a charcoal one. 2 extractor USB, just in case to don't smoke entire the house. If you wanna be fancy, barbecue gloves, and that's it. I will put all the link in bio. Everything is coming from Amazon, as usual. If you boil in a normal pan, will take around 20-30 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. What we do today, we pressure cooker. Again, this is my pressure cooker coming from Amazon, link in bio. Time to test the marination, of course, before we introduce the chicken foot.
Let's try. Very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Actually,
It's
this
like adobo.
is very nice.
It's like adobo, but instead of using vinegar like the traditional, we use the calamansi.
There is a little bit of garlic, but you know what? Filipino love garlic.
It's a must for a barbecue. The garlicky, the peppery, the spicy, yummy.
It's time to try to light our barbecue. Last time in the balcony didn't work. Let's see inside if I burn the building. Switch again to outside location because inside gas alarm went out anyway. Fire alarm as well. We don't want problem. Let's see outside again. I hope no problem. Coming directly from the grill, look at that. Amazing caramelization, unbelievable result, look at that. And time for testing.
Why you say time for tasting? I'm the one who will say.
You can say later, no? Time, I think, to test this baby.
Time for tasting.
The best moment. Time to test this beauty, more or less beauty. Look at that. Don't forget, of course, your sauce. You take one. You dip it in. Enjoy. You know, I'm not fan of that, but it's super nice, super tasty, a little bit slimy, but the roasted from the charcoal is very nice. Make your own, guys. Very nice.
Look at our Adidas Philippine shirts. If you want to have one, comment down below.
It's not for free. The fuck? Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and
Subscribe.